Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Prometheus and Node Exporter from VPS step by step clearly. To uninstall Prometheus from your VPS, begin by connecting to your server via SSH. Use your preferred terminal and enter the SSH command along with your server's IP address. Authenticate with your username and password or SSH key. Once logged in, check if Prometheus is running by executing the system status command. If it is active, stop the Prometheus service first. Use the command to stop the service gracefully. Next, remove the Prometheus binary from the directory where it was installed. Typically, this is located in the user local bin directory. Use the rm command followed by the path to the Prometheus binary. Now, check for any configuration files or directories associated with Prometheus. You may find these in the /etc/Prometheus directory or the directory you specified during installation. Remove these files using the rm or command followed by the configuration path. Having done that, ensure that there are no remaining Prometheus services running on your system. You can check this with the system status command again. If there are still services listed, use the appropriate command to kill them. Next, move on to uninstalling the Node Exporter. Just like with Prometheus, check if the Node Exporter is currently running. Stop the Node Exporter service before proceeding. Use the command to halt the service. After stopping it, remove the Node Exporter binary from the installation directory. Execute the rm command along with the path to the Node Exporter binary. Check for any associated configuration files or directories for Node Exporter. Remove these files if they exist using the rm or command. To finalize the uninstallation, verify the services are no longer active. Perform a final check using the system status command to ensure everything has been removed successfully. You have now completed the uninstallation of Prometheus and Node Exporter from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.